Have you ever pondered why the United States often takes the top spot on the list of preferred destinations for higher studies, beating out countries like Canada and the United Kingdom? Well, there are several compelling reasons why this might be the case. So sit back, relax, and let's delve into the fascinating world of American higher education. Firstly, the United States is home to many of the world's leading universities. Schools like Harvard, Stanford, and MIT are not just names, they're global brands, recognized and respected worldwide for their academic excellence. But don't be fooled into thinking it's just these household names that offer quality education. There are countless other universities and colleges across the country that provide top-notch education in a wide array of disciplines. Another important factor to consider is the availability of scholarships and the diversity in American universities. The United States offers a vast array of scholarships and financial aid options, making studying there a viable option for many international students who might otherwise find it financially challenging. Furthermore, American universities boast a diverse student population, with students hailing from all corners of the globe. This diversity not only enriches the educational experience, but also fosters an inclusive learning environment that encourages cross-cultural understanding and collaboration. These opportunities make studying in the United States a more accessible and enriching experience for many students. Secondly, the diversity of courses on offer is another major draw. Whether you're interested in studying quantum physics, ancient history, or digital marketing, you'll find a course in the USA that fits the bill. This wide range of choices allows students to explore their passions and interests and to specialize in niche areas that might not be available in other countries. Next, let's talk about research opportunities. The United States is a hotbed of research and innovation. Universities here are often at the forefront of breakthroughs in technology, medicine, environmental science, and more. Students are encouraged to participate in this culture of innovation, often working alongside their professors on cutting-edge research projects. Another major advantage of studying in the United States is the exposure to different cultures. It's a melting pot of people from all around the world, offering students an opportunity to interact with a diverse group of individuals. This cultural exposure can be a valuable learning experience in itself, fostering a global perspective and enhancing intercultural communication skills. Let's not forget about the potential for work opportunities post-graduation. The United States has a dynamic job market, and international students often find ample opportunities to work during and after their studies. Many companies in the USA are known to recruit directly from university campuses, providing students with a smooth transition from education to employment. To sum up, studying in the United States provides a unique blend of academic excellence, course diversity, research opportunities, cultural exposure, and potential work opportunities. While Canada and the UK also offer quality education, it's the combination of these factors that makes the USA stand out as a preferred destination for higher studies. So, if you're planning your higher education journey, consider the United States. The opportunities for learning, growth, and career advancement are plentiful, and the experience could be a life-changing one. Remember, the path to success isn't about following the crowd. It's about making an informed decision that aligns with your interests, goals, and dreams. And who knows, the USA might just be the place where those dreams come to fruition.